Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll explore how to deploy and operate AWS services. Whether you're just starting with AWS or aiming to sharpen your existing skills, this session will provide you valuable insights. So let's begin. But before you move on with this session, make sure that you have subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. So first, let's understand what does deployment means in AWS. Deploying in AWS refers to the process of setting up and launching application services or resources on Amazon Web Services. This involves provisioning the necessary compute, storage, networking, and other infrastructure components to run an application or service. Operating in AWS refers to the ongoing management, monitoring, and maintenance of those deployed application and resources. This includes ensuring security, optimizing performance, managing cost, and handling updates and scaling. To effectively deploy and operate in AWS, one needs to understand several key concepts, services, and best practices. You can start with a solid understanding of AWS fundamentals and its diverse area of resources. Then familiarize yourself with the comprehensive range of AWS services and identify their use cases. After that, utilize your knowledge of AWS services to build and deploy your applications. Choose the right service for your deployment needs. And after deployment, focus on monitoring, testing, and securely managing your applications in the cloud environment. Then begin with mastering the AWS Management Console, the central hub for accessing and managing AWS services. So, what is the AWS Management Console? The AWS Management Console is a web based interface that allows users to access and manage their AWS services and resources. It's not just about setting things up, the console also lets you monitor everything in real time, track your usage and costs, and make adjustments as needed. The AWS Management Console can also be accessed from a smartphone or via the AWS Console mobile application. This app allows you to monitor and manage your AWS resources on the go. In short, AWS Console provides an intuitive, user friendly environment where users can easily browse and access all available AWS services, view and manage running instances, storage, and other resources, set up and adjust service configurations and settings, use features like AWS CloudFormation to automate resource provisioning, track usage and manage cost with built in billing and cost management tools, and manage user permissions and security settings with IAM, that is, Identity and Access Management. Then comes AWS CLI. The AWS Command Line Interface or AWS CLI is a tool that allows users to manage AWS services and resources from the command line. It is like a superpower tool for anyone working with AWS. Imagine that you are managing all your cloud services through a set of powerful direct commands right from your terminal or command prompt. You can use the AWS CLI in scripts to automate tasks such as creating, managing, and deleting resources, and to integrate AWS services into your development and operational workflows. It is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring you can use it regardless of your operating system. Overall, the AWS CLI is a powerful tool that provides a flexible and efficient way to manage your AWS resources and automate cloud operations. Now let's move on to the AWS Developer tool. The AWS Developer tool provides a comprehensive suite of services designed to help developers and IT professionals in automating and streamlining the software development lifecycle. These tools facilitate smooth processes for coding, testing, and deploying applications in the cloud. Consider a scenario where a development team is working on a project. They require a secure location to store their code, an automated testing mechanism, and a reliable deployment system. AWS Developer Tool offers exactly that, providing all the necessary resources to efficiently manage the development process. These tools serve as a powerful suite for software developers, offering services tailored to enhance productivity and collaboration. For instance, AWS Code Commit facilitates source code management. AWS Code Pipeline automates the build and delivery process, and AWS Code Deploy ensures seamless application deployment. Additionally, AWS Cloud9 provides a cloud based environment where developers can write and debug code collaboratively. In summary, AWS developer tools help streamline workflows, improve team collaboration, and ensure faster, more reliable software delivery. Moving on to configuration management. Configuration management in AWS works like a reliable system organizer for your cloud setup. It helps keep your servers, application, and setting consistent, no matter how many or where they're published. With AWS configuration management tools, you can automate the process of setting up and managing your resources, making everything run smoothly without the need for constant manual work. This not only saves time, but also makes sure your cloud environment stays organized and reliable. Now let's review some of the tools which can help you configure code and manage the settings of your resources. First we have is AWS OpsWorks. It's like a handy assistant that helps you set up and manage your servers automatically so you can focus on your projects. Then we have is AWS Systems Manager. You can think of it as a toolbox full of helpful tools to manage your AWS resources, making things easier for you. Then we have AWS Cloud Formation. You can picture it as your architect, allowing you to blueprint and build your AWS infrastructure with just a few lines of code. Then we have is AWS Config. You can consider it as your friendly inspector, always checking to make sure your AWS settings are safe and correct. Lastly, AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Picture it as a helpful friend who takes care of all the technical stuff so you can simply focus on building and running your application smoothly. So as we reach towards the end of this session, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. AWS offers a wide range of tools for deploying and operating applications. These tools help organizations innovate and scale efficiently. In summary, AWS is a great platform that offers powerful tools for simplifying work in the cloud. It offers manageable deployment and operations for its customers, saving time and minimizing human error. That wraps up today's video. If you found the content useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might benefit. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop any questions or topic suggestions in the comments. Your feedback really helps us improve. If you're interested in diving deeper into AWS, check out our latest CLF C02 course. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.